How to blend two videos in Premiere Pro. So for that, first we have to select our videos and then drag and drop these videos to the media. So when we are done, let's say we want this video, just drag your video to the timeline. Okay, so here we have the video in our timeline. Okay, let's say we want these two videos to be blend on this video. Just drag and then drop this video. Okay, cool. So let's do another one. Okay, we already have that's a sequence. So let's drag and drop the second one. Okay, so as you can see, when we are playing this video, it's not like that, not that vibe is coming. If you want to do the thing decrease the opacity from this, it doesn't look so natural. Okay, let's play. So as you can see, it's not that good enough, so you can do another thing. Okay, making it to the rest. So in the effect control section, first click your layer and then go to the effect control section, then scroll a little bit down and you will find a mode which is blend mode. So in the blend mode, you can see there are so many things going on. You can choose one from them. It will look like those are different. Let's select screen. Okay, this screen works really well for me. As you can see, it is really good. Let's say how the color dodge is. Let's see. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, soft light. Okay, it's bringing a dark vibe to the video. Let's go for linear light. Let's for diffusion, exclusion, subtract. All those things are different in their style. So I'll choose screen. Okay, on this screen, as you can see, it's really fun and it's really great in here. So you can do another thing. You can go to the Lumetri color here. Okay, in the Lumetri color section, you can play with these things. Let's go for the basic correction. You can just lower the temperature or play with the tint, play with the exposure, with the contrast. As you can see, when we have made those changes, the thing is changing on there. You can bring whatever you want for this kind of thing. Let's go for highlight. A little bit highlight we have added, so it's implementing and it's taking time for a little bit to do that thing. Okay, let's say we wanna add some whites to it. Just drag the white thing. So now in the creative section, you can sharpen the edges, you can add vibrance, you can add saturation, all depends on you. So after you have added, let's hit play. So as you can see in here, if we hit play, it looks so cool, I guess. So that was really cool. So in the second one, in this one, okay, my PC is lagging so much. Okay, in the second one, let's do the same thing. Now we'll give exclusion. Let's click hue. It's not that good. Okay, let's go for color. Nope. Luminosity. Luminosity. So it's making thing. Okay, linear edge, soft hard mix. I think I should choose screen. Nope, screen is not also good. Okay, this one looks damn. Okay, we can also choose this one. Let's do the same thing in here. Let's play with the thing. Okay, Lumetri color, then we can add things in here. So in the basic correction tab, I will decrease the temperature, and then I can change the tint in here. So as you can see, it's already looking so cool. Then I can play with the exposure. As you can see, if you want some little glow, you can add this. You can add the contrast, the highlights, the shadows. Okay, then the whites, then the blacks. Okay, cool. In the creative section, you can play with those things to make it look more good. Okay, so I will bring some vibrance and those saturations. In the curve knob, you can use your creativity to make it look good. So I will drop down some shadows and give some midtones to it, and then allow some highlights and make the highlights in the blue, so it looks cool. So in the shadows, I will go for this yellowish thing. I think red. Okay, red looks good, so we will have to give this in green, I guess. Okay, blue and red or yellow or green doesn't look that good. Okay, this seems good. Okay, so we have made our color corrections here. Let's go and see the results. So here you can do one thing, that is you can like add some WAV file, like some binary codes, sound effects, for make it more realistic. So for that you can use that binary SFX, and also you can use some ambitions SFX, which just makes it like a dark vibe into it. So you can add that. For that you have to just like go to the folder of your SFX and then drag and drop those SFX into your timeline. Then like fix that SFX with the video where the like hacking or that kind of thing is going on, so it will kind of look like it's like a dark theme with some hacking tool going on in the screen. So SFX is really important for a video like where you are blending hacking things, like me, as I've just blended hacking things in this video. So it helps to like implement the reality of the video. So if you add SFX with your creativity, and it will sound so good. Okay, so that was how you can blend two videos with each other in Premiere Pro, and you can like firstly play with the things in the blend mode, then play with the colors in the Lumetri color section. So that was pretty much it, and you will get the idea and use your own creativity to make some unique things. And as always, signing out, and thanks for watching.